Hey guys, there are a ton of quality washing machines on the market right now, but which one is going to be best for you and your specific needs? Well, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best washing machines in 2023. I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for an inexpensive model that can get the job done and tackle smaller jobs, or a high-end model that's meant for heavy-duty tasks, we'll have the washing machine for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off, many people might be looking for a solid washing machine that's easy to use, well-made, and can routinely deliver a deep, thorough wash for a good price. The LG WT7300CW is designed with this in mind, and it's my choice as the best washing machine for the money in 2023. LG has several solid offerings to choose from, and the LG WT7300CW is a cost-effective option that offers similar all-around performance to more expensive models for a much lower price. It's not the biggest washer on the market and lacks the capacity of higher-end models like the Samsung FlexWash, but it still has a solid 5 cubic feet of space to handle some larger loads, which makes it appropriate for households up to 4 people. Like the GE Smart Front Load Washer I'll mention shortly, it has a built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and allows you to stop, start, or check the status of each cycle directly from your smartphone. It's also compatible with the ThinQ app, which provides alerts about usage, maintenance, and more. I also like that it's Energy Star certified, so it won't drastically impact your monthly bills. You get LG's 6-motion technology that combines up to 6 different wash motions for more effective results, which is also found on higher-end models like the LG Signature Smart Front Load Washer I'll mention later in the video. In addition, it uses cold wash technology for deeper cold water cleaning, True Balance technology to help keep it running quietly and keep it stable while in use, and a tub clean cycle to help with maintenance. I also like that it comes with an easy dispense function, so you won't need to guess how much detergent to use each time. The LG WT7300CW isn't going to deliver the same high-end performance as premium models, but it performs well for the price and offers impressive built-in technology to thoroughly clean a range of fabrics. If you're looking for a washing machine that can reliably clean your clothes for a decent price, this is an excellent choice for you to consider. Next up, I have a powerful front-load washer with several built-in user-friendly smart features and several easy-to-use cleaning cycles and functions to tackle various jobs. The GE Smart Front Load Washer is a great all-around washer to consider. The GE Smart Front Load Washer is a high-end washing machine that comes with built-in Wi-Fi support to control your cycle from anywhere, a unique venting system to reduce odor buildup, and excellent overall cleaning performance. It doesn't quite offer the internal capacity of some more expensive models like the Samsung FlexWash I'll mention shortly, but it has a sturdy build that still features a solid 5 cubic feet of space, which makes it appropriate for larger families. Unlike most other front-load washers, it has an innovative ultra-fresh vent system that allows the inside to air out between washes to help eliminate odors, and it has internal components that are treated with an antibacterial coating to help combat mold. I also like that it has built-in Wi-Fi so you can start, stop, or view real-time notifications from your smartphone, along with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility for hands-free control. It comes with several advanced gestures and 12 cycles, which include a 20-minute quick wash, an effective stain removal function, and a sanitizing cycle that uses steam to remove most bacteria and allergens. It's also reasonably environmentally friendly by being able to hold enough detergent for up to 32 cycles. And it utilizes user-friendly smart dispense technology that optimizes the amount of soap needed for each load. Unfortunately, the cycle times are a bit below average compared to other options, but they're still reasonably fast, and it consistently delivers a thorough clean. The GE Smart Front Load Washer isn't going to deliver the same cleaning performance as the LG Signature Smart I'll mention later, but it does a lot of things well, and it comes with multiple effective cleaning cycles that can efficiently clean clothes, remove stains, sanitize, and more. This is an excellent choice if you want a front-loading washer that can consistently clean fabric and deliver good value for the price. Most people might just want an intuitive washing machine that won't take up too much space, washes clothes quickly, and can deliver an efficient clean with each load. The Samsung FlexWash fits the bill, which is why it's my choice as the best washing machine for most people in 2023. The Samsung FlexWash is a high-quality modern washing machine that comes with built-in smart connectivity, ample internal space for various loads, and in-depth cleaning cycles to tackle hard-to-clean jobs. It comes with a relatively compact build to fit into most spaces, has a unique design that features 2 separately controlled washers washers within a single unit. The lower washer provides an ample 5.0 cubic feet. Top unit has an additional 1.0 cubic foot capacity for smaller loads, delicates, or garments prone to bleeding, which offers more space than cheaper models like the previously mentioned LG WT7300CW, while the price is higher than many competitors. You get Wi-Fi compatibility that allows you to monitor the remaining wash time, receive alerts, and troubleshoot issues from your phone. Even more, it has a swirl drum design that's lined with smaller holes to help prevent damaging your garments. You get several cleaning modes, including a useful steam wash setting to remove stains without pre-treatment and a sanitizing mode to eradicate common germs. On the inside, it utilizes super speed technology, so you can finish your laundry around 45% faster than other models in this range, such as the GE Smart Front Load Washer I mentioned. The Power Form feature is another useful addition, and it optimizes the detergent performance to deliver a deeper clean. It also offers VRT Plus technology that reduces noise, a self-clean function, and a 1300 RPM speed. The Samsung FlexWash is an impressive, effective washing machine that comes with speedy wash times, optimized detergent performance to help keep costs low, and several modes to tackle everything from basic washes to eliminating bacteria or stubborn dirt. If you want a highly efficient washing machine that can routinely perform well and tackle almost any household task, this is the ideal washer for you. Next up, I have a compact washing machine that still comes with good cleaning power, user-friendly controls, and multiple built-in cleaning modes. The Maytag MVWC465HW is an impressive and affordable option that's perfect for washing smaller loads. The Maytag MVWC465HW is one of the most affordable options on this list, but it still provides multiple cleaning modes for different tasks, a compact build, and effective and thorough washing results. It has a classic top-loading, white-on-white design that features a stainless steel wash basket to wick moisture away from your clothes. It uses electricity to function, or you can opt for a gas option depending on your preference. It doesn't have the most robust features set on this list, but it still offers all the essential functions and has a useful moisture sensor to monitor your clothing. You also don't get the capacity of higher-end models like the LG Signature Smart I'll mention next, but it still provides 3.8 cubic feet of internal space. Even more, you get a 10-year limited parts warranty on the drive motor and wash basket. Despite its reasonable price, it still comes with impressive cleaning power, and you get multiple cleaning modes that are suitable for a range of cleaning tasks. You also get various different cycles, including a default cycle that's more gentle on your clothes, a power wash cycle that uses heated water to boost the cleaning action for tough stains, a quick wash cycle for smaller jobs, a deep water wash option, and more. In addition, it has a useful deep rinse option that can remove leftover detergent or stain residue, along with an auto-sensing option that optimizes the water level based on each load. The Maytag MVWC465HW is a solid washing machine that won't take up much floor space. It comes with built-in sensor for more accurate monitoring, impressive cleaning power with multiple effective modes, and enough internal space to accommodate smaller families. This is an excellent option if you don't need a massive washing machine and you just want something that can help keep your clothes fresh. If you're looking for the washing machine that offers the best combination of ease of use, internal capacity, and all-around cleaning power, the LG Signature Smart Front Load Washer is my choice as the best overall washing machine in 2023. The LG Signature Smart Front Load Washer is more expensive than the other options on this list, but it comes with a thoughtfully designed build, in-depth cleaning functions, and consistent class-leading cleaning quality. It has a sleek stainless steel finish that offers a premium look and a large viewing window to view your load's progress, although it's not stackable like some other options in this range to help save space, so it might not be a great choice for smaller apartments. Like the Samsung FlexWash, it has a range of built-in smart features such as Alexa and Google Home compatibility, and the ability to view progress alerts directly from your smartphone. It also offers a massive 5.8 cubic foot internal capacity, which makes it appropriate for larger households or items like blankets. It's likely too expensive for many users, but it features a contoured design that allows you to comfortably load and unload the washer. Even more, it utilizes turbo wash technology to save you up to 30 minutes per load, so you won't need to wait too long for each cycle to finish. It comes with a comprehensive range of wash cycles, including an allergen setting to eliminate irritants, a sanitizing mode, and 14 different drying settings to optimize performance. I also like that it has a dedicated steam mode so you can remove stubborn stains, wrinkles, or odors from clothing. In addition, it uses LG's 6-motion technology that delivers up to 6 cleaning modes for improved efficiency in certain situations. The LG Signature Smart is a premium washing machine that offers excellent wash times, a massive internal chamber for larger loads or items, and several in-depth cleaning functions that deliver class-leading results, and outstanding cleanliness with each cycle. If you can afford the price and want a high-end washer that delivers top-tier performance, this is your best bet. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.